What's up, guys? Spin Firearms here, and this is my number one favorite gun. And I got this Gen 3 Glock 27 for $275. Now, I put a KKM precision barrel in there for chamber support for running extremely spicy hollows, Handgun group base plate, making this 11 plus 1. I always run it in the Blacksmith Tactical inside the waistband holster with a discreet carry clip and a wedge. Code SPN for 15% off. Also, that mag carrier is from Blacksmith Tactical as well with the monoblock. Notice one side is scratched up, but the other isn't. That's part of carrying. Your firearm's going to get damaged. I just think this handgun is the perfect balance of power, capacity, shootability, everything. Absolutely love it.